Good morning, we are team number 11 and we are going to solve this function. First we have x squared plus 2 where x is less than 0. Then we have negative x plus 2 where x is more or equal to 0 and x is also less than 2. Then we have half of x plus 1 where x is more or equals to 2. Okay, we're first gonna begin with x squared plus 2. X squared means that the function is a parabola, and because it is positive, it is gonna go upwards. And plus 2 means that it will move 2 units upwards on the y-axis. So to graph it, we're going to do this chart. Okay, now we're gonna graph it. Then it's ready, but the function is telling us that x is less than 0. So everything that is of x that's to the right more than 0, it's gonna be erased, giving us this function with not a dotted dot on the center. Now moving on with the second one, a negative x plus 2. Negative x means that the line will go downwards from left to right, and plus 2 means that it will move 2 units up on the y-axis. Let's solve it. Now let's graph it. But the function is telling us that x is between 0 and 2. So we're gonna draw it here with a dot on the 0 and a circle on 2. Now for the third function, half of x plus 1. It's a very simple function. Let's solve for x. So now let's graph it. But now our function is telling us that x is bigger or equals to 2. So we're gonna erase everything less than 2. And we're gonna draw a dot on 2. And here we have our final graph of all the functions. Now to get the domain, as you can see, it goes from negative infinite to positive infinite. So we are gonna graph with a parenthesis. It's infinite to infinite. Now to get the range, as you can see, it starts from 0, but we have a circle, so we are gonna graph with a parenthesis from 0, and it goes all the way to infinite. And now we have graphed the function with domain and range.